and my daily life and get up, have a breakfast, go to school, come back to get some time, play video games, spend time with family, long homework, play in soccer, do housework, hit home, dinner, take a shower, and go to sleep.
I wake up early and I take a shower. I start getting ready to go to high school. And when I get home, I eat something and do my homeworks. I also take a nap. And when I wake up, I go out for a while and then I come back in. I take another shower and I go to the sleep.
My favorite I also like to watch television. I like to watch movies. I like to play board game, study play while spinning ups among other hobbies have.